Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel once again. This is DJ Ninja. If you have not subscribed, hit the subscription button and remember to like this video and press the bell notification icon so that you may be notified whenever I post this and much more. So today I'll be talking about how to remove a broken RCA in either a mixer, a player. So somebody was trying to remove this RCA and unfortunately it got stuck inside. If you can see this one. So to remove it, you can't remove it just like any other thing. You must use a sharp object like this one, a pin, and it has to be heated first, because if you don't heat it first, it will make the broken piece to go further inwards, and removing it is going to be a problem. Normally these RCAs are made in such a way. This is a tiny metallic sheet, but inside there is a plastic material. So in fact, when removing the RCA, one should remove it straight, not bending it. I think the guy was trying to bend it and unfortunately it got stuck inside. So I'll have to hit this pin before I stick it inwards. So my pin is hot. The pin is not that hot. I'll have to hit it once again. It's hot, and stick it inside and leave it for a few moments.
A few moments later.
Then just like that, push it outwards. You see? That's the video for today. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe so that you can get more whenever I post. Thank you for now. Till later, see you. Adios, muchachos.